morning, ma'am. I'm presenting the parts and functions of the microscope. First is eyepiece, where you look through a specimen and magnifies by 10. Next is objective lens, magnifies the specimen. There are 3 objective lens, times 4, times 10, and times 40. Next is nose piece. This one is to retake the change of the lens. Next is stage, where the microscope slide is stage clip. Using the microscope slide. Next is back focus wheel. The stage in order to focus on the specimen. Next is fine focus wheel, moves the stage neatly in order to find focus on the specimen. Next is iris diaphragm, controls how much light passes through the specimen. And lastly, the light allows the specimen to be seen. Mirror used to be used in older version or model.